G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. I'm up at the Wollongong Dam in Western Australia. Got some beautiful views from here. If I turn you around, excuse the wind, that's a view from this side. You can see 4 miles or kilometres wherever you're from. And on this side, let me show you this. The reason for the video is just to give you an update with the channel. This is the behind the scenes channel, and I think the last video I actually made, apart from the ones I've put up anyway, was explaining that I'd been asked about videos about my backpacks, and what I've started to do is, as you probably noticed over the last about a week, maybe a little bit more, is I've been putting videos of all my backpacks and pouches up, going back for the 8 years, I can't remember, 7 years I've been doing YouTube. And I think doing that has made me realise that I've got so many videos going back that what I'm thinking of doing after I've done all the backpacks and the pouches is I'll put up each day of the week, apart from the Saturday, a normal day that is, I'll put up the videos about the hammocks and everything to do with hammocks, like the under quilts, the top quilts, the whoppie slings, the straps and everything else, and the tarps and the ridge lines. And I'll just go through my videos and how can I put it, I'll put them as subjects based. So like I've got one about my tents, so the ones I haven't shared on here, I'll put them in the days in between this 2 Saturdays. Looking back at them, I was terrible when I first started doing this YouTube, talking to the camera. I'm going to walk back up there out of the wind hopefully. Yeah, talking to the camera, describing things, and then looking now how I've improved, how the videos have improved. And thinking today what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video about where I started, how I progressed from using my mobile phone to using this camera now, and the differences between using your mobile phone and the lack of knowledge to having a little bit of knowledge. Now, I don't know everything, but I know a lot more now than I did 7 years ago. There's some black clouds coming over, look. So the blue sky is disappearing. Yeah, I know a lot more now than I did 7 years ago, but I've still got a lot more to learn. Oh, the overflow's full down there, so... Oh yeah, it looks like we've had a bit of overflow. So the dam's at a decent level. Sorry, getting back on subject. Yeah, I still got a lot to learn, and hopefully you will keep coming along on the journey with me as I learn more about equipment, as I test equipment, and listen to what I think about it. I also want you to let me know what you think about me starting a Facebook page just about behind the scenes, to get people's ideas and have chats, and for you to let me know or give me some ideas of what can be done or what sort of thing you're looking for. There's my keys, get in the car. The wind is getting stronger. Oh, that's better. Yeah, so you can let me know what you think about the videos a little bit more, or leave me comments on the actual videos on YouTube, because all the comments on there do help with getting the videos out and building the channel. But having a standalone page on Facebook where people can talk, share ideas, and even find people in your local area who follow the channel, so you can catch up with them, make new friends. Excuse me. And what I want to do also is do some camps, so people who are local to where I am, they can come and join in. And the easiest way to do it is on the Bibbulmun track. There's shelters there, but there's also tent pitches. And this time of the year, you got the use of the fire pits. You're going to have to go out there and chop your own wood, or find the deadfall, not chopping down any trees. Find some deadfall, chop it up, prep it, make the fire. There's logs to sit on around the fires there, and just have a good time and a good laugh. If you've got children, we might do specific ones where it's going to be family friendly. I think it's the easiest way. But then we're going to also do an adults only, where jokes can be told. We don't have to worry about children hearing things they shouldn't hear. Just to keep it so, family friendly, and okay, we can just relax, let go and have a good time. Not saying you can't have a good time when the kids there, because having children there, I've taken my grandchildren out on the Bibbulmun track and they loved it, and I still had a fantastic time. And it was actually the first time my granddaughter had ever been bushwalking or camping in the bush, so that was a beautiful experience. And to see her running around with one of my friend's son, they just had a ball of a time, racing around non-stop, all the laughing. Come to bedtime, head on the pillow and out cold. So yeah, it'd be nice to actually have some catch-ups, and do the same in your own area. So if you're not local to here, because the Wollongong Dam is south of Perth in Western Australia, and it's probably about 45 minutes, say an hour's drive from Perth. So either way, and as I walk down the Bibbulmun track, I'm looking at doing the same sort of thing as when I get down to the local towns. If people in the local town area, doing catch-ups there, and just have a night out, have a good time, relax, enjoy Mother Nature, all the beautiful trees and the bushland, and get to meet new people. You never know. You might have somebody with the same interests as you living around a couple of streets away and not know it. I've been out bushwalking and somebody's walked out to me and they followed me, and they're actually from 3 turns away from where I live. That's all. They go to the same shopping centre as I do. They go to the same outdoor stores. Never bumped into each other apart from when we was walking in the bush. And I've bumped into that person 3 or 4 times since then. And it's just nice knowing that there's other people around. Not much more now. Got any ideas, let me know. So, hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're not a subscriber, give us a thumbs up, hit the like button, hit the notification bell next to it and select all so you can be notified of all future videos. And if you are already a subscriber, again, I thank you very much.